This is a story about family. This is a story about tradition. This is a story of the love of real craftsmanship. Quality and sustainability is in our DNA. Values that has been drummed into us all our lives. It all started 1899 in this small village called Böle, located in the north of Sweden with my great-grandfather Oscar Sandlund. Tanning is the transformation of raw hide into leather to make it more durable and softer. This can be achieved in various ways. Today, most of the tanneries are using chemical products like chrome, harmful for the environment. A large amount of water is wasted and poured into the rivers. The leather industry is the fourth most polluting industry in the world. Nothing of these applies to Böle. Our process is natural, our materials renewable, using minimum of water and energy. Our products are created to last. From my Swedish roots, inspired by our parents volunteering in Bangladesh, we have been guided by the same core principles. It influences not only what we do, but how we do it. I am Anders Sandlund, fourth generation tanner.